Our dream is to further work on the house. RTBT's next step merges creativity, business and education in a week-long event aligning with the UN's 4th Sustainable Development Goal for universal education. Guided by experts in music, art, internet, tech, showbiz, finance and mindset mentoring, it hosts workshops and talks designed to ignite creativity and impart invaluable insights for building resilience. Like an educational but entertaining Big Brother show. The house streams content worldwide, making e-learning inspiring and engaging for everyone, with the support of AI-enhanced platform to help people share more related knowledge and meet others with similar interests needing only a web connection. We focused on 2 major initiatives. We are setting up RTBT art installation in Switzerland and need support and partners to make it happen. We are also planning the house initial event, which we'll record and showcase to find also partners.